I'm in a rush and I completely forgot to actually bring my camera and make a video of this new tool that I posted I put a post up on YouTube about being excited about this tool and then asking everybody what they thought it was. What this tool does is crimps the ends on the on an air hose. So I will put, let me do this here. It's gonna be tough because I forgot my camera, so I don't have my tripod. Okay. This piece goes on the hose end like this, go all the way. You slide this in here. And actually, I think I should have put, I should do this first. So this, put it through, I believe, that one's not gonna, maybe that one's too big. I think it's this one down here. That one's too small, that one's way too small, that one's way too small. I believe it's this one. Sorry for the bad camera. Won't focus. Why won't you focus? There we are. There. Sticks out here. Slide that thing in. I may have to re-crimp this. Get some better light on it. Okay, and there's the crimp. Yeah, I'll probably have to crimp that a little bit more. I'll try. That one, I think it's too big. Probably try this one. Let's see what this one does. Still learning. I've used some of these before in the past, but they're a little bit different. There, that looks better. Tighter crimp. Feels pretty tight on there. Well, let's put the air to it and see what it does. Okay, I got about 150 psi on it, and it's not leaking. It's a good thing. Yeah, I bought this tool because using airline all the time and making my own airline for different lengths definitely makes a big difference on allowing me to do different stuff. And I don't know how many times I've dropped something on the airline and punctured it. I have to try to do a crappy repair, like, you know, with hose clamps and doing this, and it hangs up on everything. It works like crap. They still leak a lot of times, and that way I can get a good seal. It's just like an air hose if you bought from a store, and that saves me a ton of money. I mean, this kit, I think I found it on Amazon for like $140, and it came with 2 different sizes of the collets. I guess that's a collet. I mean, if I wanted to make another line that the end got damaged, a lot of times you can find those at parts stores. They already have that, but they just don't have the crimping, the collet side, and the crimping tool. So I'm super excited about that. I know it seems kind of dumb, but I like tools. So thanks a lot for watching.